Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
This is your complete Adastra Studio workspace, one sleek dashboard for everything. Monitor your AI videos, publish posts, cloned ads, and total social posts, social accounts, all from one powerful dashboard. Your balance and activity stats are always visible, so you stay updated at every step. Let's create a video ad for a real product, a pair of wireless earbuds I'm selling. I click AI video ads, then video ads chat, and my Adastra Studio assistant takes over, guiding me step by step. It asks me what kind of video ad do you want to create. It asks how I want to provide my product details, a URL, manual input, or a sample product. Since my earbuds already have a product page online, I'll go with the URL option. I paste the link to my product page. The AI reads the page and pulls out everything it needs: product name, key features, price, and images. My product details are already filled in. I upload my brand logo and a couple of product shots, then click Save Product Details to continue. I can set the voice and video style manually or let AI choose the best combination automatically. And on the right, the assistant keeps a running panel of every choice it locks in: voice, avatar, language, and more. Anything it picks, I can change right there myself. I'll set my duration and pick a vertical ratio for Instagram Reels, and I can see that selection lock into the panel on the right instantly. Next, language, accent, voice gender, age, and tone. For my earbuds ad, I'll pick a bright, energetic voice.
Here's a short preview of how the voice sounds.
And it locks into the panel, ready for me to swap anytime if I change my mind. Then I pick my avatar, the face of my ad. It locks into the panel alongside everything else, so every choice I've made is right in front of me. If I want to change any of it, I just click it in the panel. Once I'm happy, I click Save Settings. All my settings are confirmed. I do one last check of everything I've locked in, then generate my video in one click. My earbuds ad is ready. I can render it now, or switch templates to try a different creative style first. If I click View Template, I can preview my same ad in a completely different style, still built from the same product details. Once I'm happy with the style, I click Render, and I'm taken straight to my video ads where my finished ad is ready to view.
Experience immersive, crystal clear sound with our premium hi-fi wireless earbuds. Meet the earbuds that match your every moment: crystal clear sound and effortless comfort. Enjoy all-day wear with fast charging and seamless connectivity for zero distractions. Upgrade your listening experience today, because you deserve the best sound.
From here, I can edit, rename, download, or delete my video anytime. Here's the best part. The AI has already built a polished, ready-to-publish video for you automatically. But if you ever want to change something by hand, you have a full editor at your fingertips. Just click Edit Video to preview and customize any slide before export. Edit scenes, review timing, and fine-tune your video with full control, scene by scene. Click Global to customize your video across every slide at once. Avatar, voice, fonts, and background music all match to your brand. Or edit and fine-tune individual slides anytime, right down to the smallest detail. Customize captions, text styles, colors, backgrounds, and overlays, all from one editor. Adjust fonts, size, colors, and positioning to match your video perfectly. Your AI avatar appears on each slide: visibility, animation, shape, and screen position. Customize the background for every slide. Upload new visuals and add zoom animations for a more dynamic feel. Add overlays using your own uploads, custom URLs, or stock assets, and animate them with ease. Add stickers and emojis from the built-in library or upload your own to make your video more engaging. Repeat this for every slide, and once you're done, click Export. Your video is ready. Publish your video directly to social platforms in seconds. Choose your accounts, add captions and tags, then post instantly or schedule for later. Prefer to do it all yourself without the chatbot? You can. This manual flow gives you full hands-on control from the very first step. Paste a product URL, try a sample, or upload details manually. Say I don't have my own product page. No problem. I can browse Amazon.com right inside Adastra. Let's find a great coffee maker to build an ad around and pull it straight in. I just confirm I have the rights to use the content and I'm ready to generate. I click Generate, and Adastra shows me all the coffee maker's details it pulled from Amazon, ready for me to review and manage. Since I'm in full control here, I can refine every detail myself. Product name, brand, category, description, and logo, exactly how I want it. I add, view, and edit my media assets in a couple of clicks, swapping in the best product shots for my ad. Then I handpick the perfect avatar, filtering by type, gender, or category, or uploading my own, instead of letting AI decide. With everything set exactly to my taste, I click Continue to generate. Adastra gives me several video variations of my coffee maker ad to choose from. I pick my favorite, tweak it if I want, then render my final video in one click.
Discover the Virtuo Next Your Gateway to 6 coffee sizes, from rich espressos to refreshing 18 ounces brews. Experience the future of coffee with the slimmest, smartest, and most sustainable Virtuo machine ever. Precision Brewing delivers a full-bodied coffee topped with velvety foam perfection in every cup. Choose from over 40 premium coffee blends, plus exclusive limited editions crafted for every taste.
Before we dive in, what is AdSpy? It's your built-in competitor research tool. Instead of guessing what works, you can see the exact ads already winning in your niche across Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. Then clone the best ones and turn them into your own AI-powered ads in seconds. Let me show you how. To get started, go to the left menu, click AdSpy, then Extension. This is where you research and clone winning ads from the top ad libraries all in one place. Connect the Chrome extension, add your API key, and you can capture Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn ads instantly. Clone any ad in one click, capturing the ad copy, images, video, and metadata automatically.
You can find Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn ad libraries in a click. Just click on icons and you will be redirected to their ad libraries, where you can clone any ad with a click.
Search for any ad, then click Clone on the ad card. The extension captures all the data and media automatically. Your cloned ads appear in the Cloned Ads tab, where you can manage them with quick action controls. View details, open the original source, create a new AI ad, or remove ads anytime. Click Create Ad to generate your own version using AI. Just enter your brand details and choose a transformation style. Click Generate My Ad, and your unique, high-converting ad is created instantly. Edit and refine every part of your ad, headlines, copy, media, and layout, or regenerate fresh variations instantly. Replace ad images instantly, generate brand new visuals with AI, or upload your own media. Click Save and your ad is ready in My Ads, where you can edit or post it directly. Don't want to start from scratch? You don't have to. Adastra comes loaded with ready-made video templates for every niche: fashion, tech, beauty, food, fitness, real estate, and more. Each one is professionally designed and proven to convert. Just browse the library. Don't want Adastra comes loaded with ready-made video templates for every niche: fashion, tech, beauty, food, fitness, real estate, and more. Each one is professionally designed and proven to convert. Just browse the library and find the style that fits your product. Pick the template you love and it opens up ready to customize.
Looking for a modern home that blends luxury, comfort, and smart?
Then it's as simple as one click to make it yours. Swap in your own product details, images, and logo, and the template instantly becomes your ad. No design skills, no starting from a blank screen. Just pick, edit, and you're done.
Top 3 trending gadgets you didn't know you needed in 2026. Number 2 will surprise you. First up, this magnetic power bank. Just snap it on your phone and it starts charging instantly. No wires. Super compact. Perfect for travel. Next, this mini bag sealer. It seals your snack packets in seconds and keeps food fresh longer. Just slide it and you're done. And finally, this dancing jellyfish toy. It lights up, moves, and reacts to touch.
No design skills, no starting from a blank screen. Just pick, edit, and you're done. Now for one of Adastra's most powerful features, publishing and scheduling. Click Manage Socials, then Social Accounts. Connect all your social accounts in one dashboard: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and more, with secure OAuth connections. Your credentials are never stored, only encrypted access tokens. You can disconnect anytime. Click Manage to add or manage your accounts. Here's where it gets really powerful. You don't just create videos in Adastra, you publish them straight to social media without ever leaving the platform. Take the video you just made, write your caption, add your hashtags, and select every account you want to post to at once. Then choose Post it right now or schedule it for the perfect time, days or even weeks ahead. Pick your date, set your time, and Adastra posts it automatically across every platform while you focus on everything else. Head to Social Posts to see your entire content calendar in one place. Every post you've scheduled, lined up, and ready to go. Filter, organize, and monitor everything. Published, scheduled, and failed posts across every platform from a single screen.